Спасибо. Спасибо. Мне пришли новые уши. Такие вот. Решилась, мне подруга сегодня сказала, типа, мне приснилось, ты с челкой, вот, я хочу, чтобы она меня выстригла. И, короче, как бы я решилась, просто сама я это, естественно, делать не буду. Ну, рваная челка, типа, да, где-то так, ну, как еще. Типа, эти прямые челки, это не актуально, к сожалению. Хотя что-то в этом есть. Поэтому рваную челку. Да, мне тоже нравится. У меня еще таких нет. Хотя у меня из ушей, в принципе, коллекция. У меня куча разных всяких. Коллекцию ушей? Ну, возможно. Ну, у меня в инсте там фотки все с разными ушами. Ай. Привет, Жасуш. Ну, блин, у меня вот было, короче, желание, прям, думаю, проведу эфир, вообще все классно. Я даже стояла сначала, это большая редкость, чтоб я и стояла. Но, блин, меня тут, это, заблокировали 500 раз уже. И как-то у меня желание отпало, поэтому я ненадолго тут сижу немножечко и пойду. Уже все, настроение не то. Сделаю фотки, наверное, сегодня, и все. Спасибо. Конечно, все будет хорошо. Я с сегодняшнего дня на антидепрессантах. Спасибо.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas.
yes, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Ой, я их не принимала вчера, потому что мне было плохо, и я решила, начну лучше сегодняшнего дня. Вот. Сегодня будет прием, но мне сказали, у них накопительный эффект, и результат я увижу через 2-3 недели. Вот. Thank you, Zam. Thank you. Thank you. Надеюсь, я похудею хотя бы. Thank you, Zam.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Ну, ночью я как раз и сплю. Значит, режим сна вроде... сижу, то интересно, что они. Thank you, bad boy. Thank you. Thank you, bad boy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Big Boss. Thank you so much, bad boy. Спасибо, Сергей. Спасибо. Спасибо.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best. Even gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Something deep inside, push and pull, then repel any hate, no relate, what you want, feel compelled, yeah. Tell me get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Inspired by thirst, inspired by worth, desire your worst, you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired of you first, I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never need shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me go. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can, I won't, that's what got me the motherfucking lies. Tell me why I Yo, I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go to hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody.
Бывает. Мне тоже тут частенько так говорят, что теперь. Короче, что я думаю-то вообще? Испортили мне настроение все блокировки, вот.